we are happy to be part of this conference. So Braun is a family-owned company with 185 years old, and we transitioned from being just international to being a local company. So right now we are producing at EPZ, and we brought in the infusion fluids and eye drops after the acquisition of former IV infusions. Next slide. So Braun, we are in 18 fields with more than 5,000 products globally. These are products ranging from pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and other technologies. That's the production facility at EPZ, formerly IV Aqua, that we acquired in 2019. And we are producing infusion fluids and eye drops. We had to upgrade this to a level of German technology, so the infusion fluids that we are providing you are the likes of the Mercedes-Benz or a VW. So, what is with our fluids? When you look at our bottle, it has a twin cap, which is gold covered, and that is one part of the bottle is for infusion. The other bottle is used to either add in any other product that you'd want to infuse for dilution purposes. It's PVC-free, it's latex-free, and DHEP-free, meaning I think you know the toxicity related to DHEP in terms of sterilization, issues related to men being sterile. It is also easy to differentiate in terms of colors. From far, you are able to see the different colors. If it's G10, it's red. If it's normal saline, it's blue. We have green for ringer lactate and like. The container is EcoFlac, coming from two words. It's economic, and flacon, which is French for the word bottle. It's self-collapsing bottle, so you don't need a bag for this. So the old practice of pricking the bottle on top in order to vent, that is not necessary, because the issue is, why do you need to sterilize? Then during administration, you are venting the bottle. So actually, we should have just packed the product and given it to you without actually sterilizing. So this bottle is self-collapsible. Next, please. So that shows how to use our bottle. You see, you remove the gold plate. The surface is clean and germ-free. You can either inject the medicine that you want. Then the next part is where you add in the administration set and administer the product. Next. Next, so this just shows a video of our collapsibility of the bottle. You can visit our booth and see this. So this is how you do it. You remove the cap, get the infusion set. We also have, we are known for infusion. We have a leading infusion factory in Europe called Life, one of its kind, highly automated. That's an Intrafix safe set for administration. The bottle comes with a hanger. This is what usually the nurses do when they're priming the line. Our line has what we call a prime stop. So you don't need to actually open in order to release the air in there by pouring, maybe if it's glucose and you're in the hospital and you're pouring it on the floor, that is actually food for the bacteria. If you are dealing with cytotoxic substances, it's actually quite detrimental. So this allows that you're able to prime the line without pouring anything on the floor. That's how the bottle collapses. It's a closed system. So you don't need to vent on top there. Next. Next. Like I mentioned, these are some of the products that we are manufacturing locally. During the COVID time, we had to pack water for injection in 500 ml because it was used as a humidifier. We also had a request from the Rwanda government during the COVID vaccination to produce for them preparations of 2 ml of normal saline for purposes of administration of the COVID vaccine by Pfizer and BioNTech to avoid wastage. Next, please. So still, those are fluids. The labels are quite clear from far. Yes, we also produce eye drops. Like I said, we did that acquisition. Our eye drops are still called IV, either Gentacin or IV something, and we are still in the market. Next. So these are either steroids, antibiotics, or combined. Next. Yeah. This is something that we got from the market, and we've also informed PPB about it. We have, I would say, an ethical promotion where people have said that our products are no longer in the market, but we want to assure you that IV is there. And IV has not become pharma. So IV Salon is not pharma salon. That is a different product. So please be aware that they light and we are still producing. We can get our products currently from our distributor, Transwide. Next. We are also into nutrition. These are imports that come from our facilities from Germany. It could either be oral or enteral nutrition. They could also be total parenteral nutrition that are either combined, meaning it could be a 3-chamber bag with lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates, or it could be a single or 2-chamber product. We also have powders that you reconstitute during use. And then lastly, are the bags that are used for administration of these products. Next. Like I said, Braun, we are the masters in infusion therapy. I've just shown you the Intrafix F-set that has a prime stop. We're also in ICU with our pumps. It's either a volumetric pump or a syringe pump. And also disinfectants for use in the hospitals. Next. Our surgical division is distributed by Surgifarm, and we manufacture sutures, scissors, and also other products that are used in cath lab. Next. Dialysis, we produce also dialysis machines that do hemodialysis and also hemodiafiltration. And the consumables, we are planning to have the dialysis consumables being produced locally, and especially the concentrates, because it's not worth to ship the concentrates all the way from Germany up to here. So we want to localize it, like we've already done for our fluids. Next. I'll leave you with that. That's our production facility. Not fully automated like we would want in Germany, but also to make sure that we create jobs in Kenya. So that's our facility at EPZ. Thank you.